In this video, we are going to learn about the chapter 11, Mensuration for Standard 8. First, we will look at the important formulas of area and perimeter for different shapes. First, rectangle. Area A is equal to A into B, or A is equal to length into breadth. Perimeter P is equal to 2 into L plus B, where L and B are length and breadth of the rectangle. P is equal to L plus B plus B. Second, square. A is equal to side into side, or A is equal to A into A. Perimeter P is equal to 4 into side, where side is A. So 4 into A. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, and perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. For parallelogram, area is equal to base into height, and perimeter is equal to sum of length of all sides. For trapezium, area is equal to half into A1 plus A2 into height. So parallel sides into height, and perimeter is the sum of length of 4 sides. Then area for circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle, and perimeter means circumference of the circle is equal to 2 into pi r. Then area for rhombus, A is equal to half into d1 into d2, and d1 and d2 are the diagonals of the rhombus, and perimeter is PV is equal to 4 into sides. Now we will look at some of the points. 8. Surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus B into H plus H into L. 9th, surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. 10. Surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. 11. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. 12th, volume of cube is equal to L cube, or L into L into L. 13. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. 14. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 15. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Now we will look at questions. Question 1. A square and a rectangular field with the measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? So the square has side of 60 meter and rectangle which has a length 80 meter. So which field has a larger area? So to find out the area of rectangle, we require length and breadth, but only length is given in the diagram. So and in the question it is given that both the perimeters of the square and rectangle is same. So by using that, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square. So first, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side, and side is 60, so 4 into 60 is equal to 240 meter. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the square is equal to 240 meter, and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into 480 plus b. By this we can find out the breadth, which equals to 40 meter. Then area of the square is equal to side square is equal to 60 square, so that is 3600 meter square, and area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which equals to 3200 meter square. Hence the square field is larger than the rectangular field. Question 3. The shape of the garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. So length of the rectangle is given, that is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. So 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7 and 20 minus 7 is equal to 13 meter. So we got the length of the rectangle. Then breadth of the rectangle is equal to 7, which is given in this figure. Radius of semicircle is equal to 3.5 meter, which is 7 meter upon 2 gives 3.5 meter. 2 semicircles is equal to 1 circle. Hence, perimeter or circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 is equal to 22 meter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 13 meter plus 7. 2 into 20 is equal to 40 meter. Hence perimeter of the garden is equal to 22 meter plus 40 meter, which equals to 62 meter. Find out the area of the garden. So first, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which equals to 91 meter square, and area of circle, that is 2 semicircles, is equal to pi r square equals to 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 equals to 38.5 meter square. Area of garden is equal to area of rectangle plus area of circle is equal to 38.5 meter square plus 91 meter square is equal to 129.5 meter square. Question 3. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter, find the area of the field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. Perimeter of ABCD is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus perimeter of ABCD is given 120, which equals to AB plus 48 plus 17 plus 40. So we can find out the length AB, which equals to 50. Then we have to find the area of this field, that is area of trapezium. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into P1 plus B2, that is BC plus AD, that is sides, parallel sides of the trapezium, into height. Half into 48 plus 40 into 15 is equal to 660 meters square. Question 4. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of ABC plus area of ADC. So area of ABC is equal to half into base into height AC into OD plus half into AC into BP. So half into 24 into 13 plus half into 24 into 8 is equal to 12 into 13 plus 8 is equal to 252 meters square. Question 5. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. So area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So diagonal 1 is equal to 7.5 centimeter and diagonal 2 is 12 centimeter. So half into 7.5 into 12 is equal to 45 centimeter square. 6. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonal are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length, and total cost of polishing the floor, if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, half into 45 centimeter into 30 centimeter is equal to 675 centimeter square. Area of 3000 tiles is equal to 3000 into area of each rhombus 675, 20,25,000 centimeter square. This is changed into meter square. So divided by 100 into 100, 202.5 meters square. The cost of polishing is given is in per meter square, that is 4. So it is multiplied by 4. So rupees 810.